In this video, we're going to look at how to export results from the my.scimap web-based tool into a desktop GIS system using the web mapping service rather than downloading the data directly. On screen here, we have a SCIMAP set of results for the River Swale in Yorkshire. At the bottom of the screen, there is now the Get Mapping Service link button. If we click this, we get a text link here, and what we need to do is copy that, close this dialog, and now we can switch to our GIS system. So in this case, we're going to switch to QGIS, and in here we can then use that web mapping service link to connect to the data. So on the left hand side, you need to click on the Add WMS Layer button, click New, give it a name, River Swale, and paste in the URL and click OK. We can now connect this server, so this will connect your desktop GIS to the my.scimap server, and you can see here it has downloaded a set of headers of the data that's available. So if we want to add the erosion risk, we can click there. We need to define the projection, and in this case it's OS grid. Click OK and click Add. It will now add that to the data table of contents and onto the map. We can also add further layers from this by going back in, connecting to the service, say selecting the surface flow index, the connectivity, again defining the projection, clicking Add, and finally we can add in the vector layer. So if we open this up here, we can see we've got channel accumulated risk vector. That's the one you want. Again, change it to GB grid, add that to the map, and click OK. So now we can look at these in detail in the desktop GIS. If we now zoom in to an area, so this area here, it will then download the higher resolution data from the server as we are requesting it. So it becomes a very lightweight way to look at the data and integrate it into your GIS system and into any kind of cartographic mapping that you may wish to do.